AI is very important in the today world. So if you are working in any industry, AI is using and AI is involving, and without AI you cannot survive in any of the industry. So especially in the IT, AI is very important. All the coding, all the activity are doing the AI, and if you are not learn the AI, you not able to survive the into the AI industry. So recently OpenAI, which is a part of the ChatGPT, introduced new tool called Codex. So, welcome to my brand new course, OpenAI Codex full course, which is help you to like like AI coding, automation, creating the agent. You can automate anything. You can basically do all the activity in very accuracy way. So Codex is very powerful tool, and this is launched very last week, and this is the very important for the any of the developer, any of the who are working in the any of the area like reporting activity you are doing, or the you are working with the management side or the business side. So Codex is very important. So you will learn complete full course in this course. So before starting the what we will cover under this course, let me introduce myself. My name is Mukesh Pandey, and I have more than 15 years experience in the IT industry. I have worked in the various technology expert into the data and the AI area. So this course will cover how you can leverage of this codex and basically how you can automate or task. So basically, what is the Codex? So Codex is one of the AI tool developed by the ChatGPT. So that Codex tool look like this. Okay, so I will give you complete overview of the Codex as well. Like basically, first I will give you how you can install the codex, how you can connect with the codex with the chat GPT. Basically, codex we have the various component like you can see the plugin, you can automate or tasks, you can see lots of option is there. Plugin we have lots of things like you can basically uh, send an email. So no need to do anything. You can just draft. They will draft the email. They will reply the email. Basically, this is a very powerful tool. I will also explain in the detail what is the difference between Codex and the Chat GPT, and basically why Codex is required if you already have in the market the Chat GPT. So if you can go to the coding area, we have various plugin is there. We can use this plugin like if you connect with the GitHub, Codex will do automatically code change and create the pull request. You can see the here. They will also say basically do the some type of the error also. They will fix the error as well and publish into the GitHub. We can also connect the various coding tool activity. You can so see code rabbit is also there. Other than coding, we also have the design area as well. Like if you anyone is working into the other management type or the business analyst, we have the various uh, you can integrate with the Canva. We have the Figma, BioRender, and engineering side also we have the OpenAI developer lifestyle. We also have the productivity point of view. You can basically integrate like Google Calendar, Gmail, Team, Outlook email, Box. So all these things we have. So basically, this course is very helpful to you into the day-to-day activity. So let's go to the more in the detail about this course. Basically, why required this course, and basically you will learn what you will learn in this course. You will learn introduction to the OpenAI Codex, prompt engineering, build AI agent, automate repetitive tasks using the AI, generate code. You can use the AI for Python, SQL, AI-based debugging, build AI application. I will also show you some real-time project, real-time use cases, and it's very helpful for the interview question and the career guidance, how you can basically include resume. So while learn OpenAI Codex, basically this is the very powerful tool to reduce the development time, automate the manual work, basically increase the productivity, basically improve the software quality. So who should take this course? Basically all the who are involving into the directly into the IT or non-IT field, any of the developer, any of the engineer, any of the business analyst, basically project manager, student, for the student is very good for to learn, and the fresher, all the IT professional, non-IT professional. So this will very real world benefit for automate the task, whatever you have daily doing, learn future ready AI skill, because when in 2022 we talking about the chat GPT, so they have to take all the role and responsibility. Coming also Codex will take the all the or work and role responsibility. So this course is very helpful for you to uh, do the productivity and also learn the AI. So thank you so much. We'll continue into the next video to start with the basically what is the codex and how we can install, and how we can integrate with the different basically the tool, different plugin, different automation available. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep innovating. Thank you.